Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make PayPal unlimited. First, head to the PayPal website and choose to sign up for a business account. This is crucial for a limited company to keep finances separate. You will then provide basic business details like your company name, address, and contact information. Finally, confirm your email address through the link PayPal sends. This activates your account for receiving payments. Next, you will need to verify your business identity, which is a vital step for compliance and security. PayPal requires documents such as a government-issued identification for the account holder, like a driver's license. You will also need to provide official business registration documents, such as your certificate of incorporation and proof of your business address, like a utility bill dated within the last 12 months. Once your business identity is verified, it is time to link your company's bank account. Go to the Wallet section within your PayPal account. You can link your business bank account by entering your bank's name, account number, and routing number. PayPal will then send 2 small deposits, typically a few cents, to your bank account. You will confirm these amounts in PayPal to complete the verification process. With your PayPal business account fully set up, you can now efficiently manage your company's finances. You can easily send and receive payments, create professional invoices, and generate payment links for customers. Leverage PayPal's seller protection policies and integrate with various e-commerce platforms. Remember to regularly monitor your transactions, keep your business details updated, and enable 2-factor authentication for enhanced account security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.